Welcome to Enagic's Company Profile DVD. This video will give you a brief background of Enagic, its history, philosophy, and its products. The fundamental idea behind Enagic is being able to obtain and maintain true health in every aspect of life. In order to achieve true health, you must have a healthy body, a healthy state of mind, and healthy finances. If you are able to incorporate these three elements into your life, you will have discovered true health. The same values apply to how Enagic manufactures their products, the supportive climate that has been instituted for all of Enagic's employers and distributors, and of course, the end result of their products, pure Kangen water. All of the filtration products are designed and manufactured in Osaka, Japan under a very strict code of guidelines, which are enforced by the Japanese government. But Enagic takes it one step further than most other water filtration manufacturers. Every component of every product is made from scratch in the factory under close supervision, ensuring efficiency, durability, and the ability to produce the highest quality Kangen water imaginable. From the electrode plate to the charcoal-infused water filters themselves, everything is made in one place with one amazing result: perfection. In the factory, every product is tested before it is allowed to be shipped out. Once the pH levels, ORP levels, and every function of a unit is tested, it is then authorized to be sent out. But going even beyond quality control, Enagic also has a staff of highly trained engineers at the factory to design superior products for future use. Enagic feels that with all of these various aspects of production being contained to one factory, a supreme level of synergy is created, generating the finest products possible. And once the products are ready to be shipped, they are sent to various distributors around the globe. Every distributor at Enagic is considered to be an important part of the Enagic family. Enagic's belief is that Kangen water allows you to return to origin, meaning that such a pure water with so many healthy properties will bring joy, peace of mind, and true health to anybody who enjoys it anywhere in the world. The same concept of health applies to Enagic human-based network of distributors. The compensation plan has been set up to encourage every distributor to help each other, much like a network of family and friends, which has been paramount in enabling higher compensations payouts for distributors. Unlike pyramid marketing and other unfair marketing scams, Enagic has implemented a way for anybody to climb the ranks and increasing their earning potential at their own pace based on selling performance alone. It is possible to jump several ranks at one time, provided that you make sales and follow the system. As you move up in the rank, the more earning points you receive, which means higher returns for you to enjoy. When a distributor makes the minimum required number of sales to warrant compensation, a check is cut promptly and sent out. It's that easy. For a more detailed explanation of Enagic's compensation plan, please refer to the compensation DVD. As mentioned earlier in this video, in addition to Kangen water filtration units, Enagic also processes and sells root plant product, which is related to the ginger root called Kangen turmeric sigma. The turmeric that Enagic distributes is grown in Okinawa by local farmers, where no chemical fertilizers are used. In addition, strong Kangen water and strong acidic water is used during the cleaning process. The turmeric roots are washed thoroughly. Then they are heat dried for 12 hours, and finally they are processed into powder form. The reason why Enagic chooses to sell turmeric was due to its actual and symbolic similarities to Kangen water, as well as the company's business philosophy. Its purity and promotion of good health and happiness is exactly what Enagic is all about. As mentioned before, all of Enagic's products are produced on location in Japan, as Japan is known as having the highest human longevity rates in the world. Enagic takes pride in the Japanese healthy origin of their products. This gives the company great confidence as it distributes healthy products worldwide. As the Level Up Kangen water filtration units gain popularity, it brings all of the members of the Enagic family great joy to know that more and more people are discovering true health every day. Through the use of Kangen water, as well as the turmeric root, achieving great health, a sound mind, and a strong body will lead to happiness, which results in healthy finances and great life experiences. Thank you so much for your interest in Enagic and its spectacular line of products. We look forward to hearing from you soon.